Hello everyone and welcome back to the RCZ, and today we are changing the number plate lights. Well, I'm not changing them, but you are, so that's why you're watching this video. Okay, so this vehicle has two rear number plate lights. They are 5W5s, and let's get them out. Okay, for this procedure I shall be using just a little bit yeah, that's it there. But you can use a flathead screwdriver, or sometimes I use the keys off my 306. Like it can be anything, it doesn't really matter, but yeah, the flathead screwdriver is quite nice. Pops it out on the right there, and that's it. Levers out that way. I'd recommend turning your bulbs off while doing this. I'm just doing this just for the purpose of the video to make it easier to see, because you know, light is helpful. But I recommend turning your bulbs off, especially if they're the original bulbs. They will be very hot, so don't be doing that. And also I recommend not unplugging them while the power's still running to them, but I've done that as well. So there you go. These are actually already LEDs. These are Philips Altanon series. Okay, so that's how to get them out. Both are the same on both sides. Now, what you're going to want to do is also clean the caps. If this is your first time doing it, or you've ever had a mechanic do it, they probably never clean them either. So you're going to run them under some hot water. It wasn't very hot when I did this. And you're also going to get a nail brush. If you don't know what a nail brush is, just ask your mum. She'll have one, I'm sure. And give them a brush. You'll need 2 hands for this. I can't do it holding a camera. But there you go. That's how they look afterwards. Nice and clean. And we'll just compare that with the other one. And yeah, you can see how dirty that is. It's well, I say it's pretty gross. I've seen worse actually. So we'll clean them both up, and let's stick it all back in the car. Okay, so let's put the bulbs back in. They're going to start with just the bulbs for first. Remember, LEDs can only go in one way, so it's important just to put them in first. Check they're actually in the correct way. They're kind of awkward to get in because they're at a 45-degree angle. I have no idea, actually, know why. But there you go, it's in there, lovely. That's how it should look. And then yeah, once we get the other one in, then we'll check the lights are working. Okay, to do this without turning the engine on, if you switch it to off, like all the way, and then turn it back on manually, and then the lights are on like that. Alright, great, now the lights are working. Let's put these back in. These are reversible. They don't have to go in a certain way. They're like hinged on the left side, and then they clip into the right side like that. That one manages to like slightly knock the bulb. I'm not sure why. It's just slightly. I don't know if it's the wiring. I don't know if it's the bulb. But this one's fine. There you go, lovely. Okay, so if it is being a bit fiddly, it might take a few attempts just to get correct. Again, it might be the tiny little wires in the bulb. So if you want to take it out and make sure they're straight. And yeah, it's a bit it's a bit fiddly. This one I managed to knock into place, but I definitely recommend doing a drive. At least get the engine started. Just go for a little drive and check they're still working, and are happy. And there you go. That is that's everything. That's how you change the number plate lights in the RCZ. I hope you lot have enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.